Unpacking the box, remove the manual, along with the packing material and any loose parts. Carefully lift the unit out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product. Installing the lower handle arms. Side. On the handle base, repeat on the opposite side and ensure that both arms are secured at the same height. Installing the middle and upper handle. Before installing the middle handle position the cord retainer on the crossbar position the middle handle so it line up with the holes in the lower handle. Insert supplied carriage bolts through the hole, the knob onto the carriage bolt, and tighten both sides. Repeat this process to secure the upper handle to the middle handle. Secure the cable. The Allen key that came with the unit can be stored in the clip. Assembling and installing the grass catcher clips on the bag that must be fastened into the frame before you can install it. 2. The unit has been assembled with the rear discharge door. Open grass handle and place the hooks into the lot. Close the rear discharge door to secure the bag. We recommend empty the bag after each to remove the bag. Lift the rear discharge door and unhook the bag.